To add a new button to your web page, go to the left navigation menu and click on the plus icon. In the Add Widget window, select the Button widget and drag the button onto your web page. A blue line will appear where the button will be placed. Once you have placed the new button onto the web page, the button settings window will then be displayed. Here you will be able to change the text on the button, add a second line of text, and add an icon. Then click on Add Link. In the Select a Link window, you will be able to link the button to any page inside of your website. Under External Link, you will be able to add a link to an outside web page if you would like your website visitor to be led to a different website. Under File, you will be able to upload a file inside of your file manager. The selected file will then be downloadable for your website visitor once they click on the button. Once you have chosen the suitable link for the button, then click Select. After you have linked the newly created button to a page, click Save and go to the left navigation menu. Click on the eye icon to view your web page in the live version. Here you will be able to test the button link to see if it directs your website visitor to the correct web page. To add an external link to your button, click on the button and then click on the Edit Link icon in the top menu. In the Select a Link window, click on External Link. In a separate browser tab, open the page you wish to link to the button. On the top of the page, right-click and copy the entire URL address. Go back to your Website Builder tab and right-click and paste the URL address inside of the URL block. Click on Select and then click Save. To test the button link, click on the eye icon to view your web page in the live version. Then click on the Show in New tab button. Click on the newly linked button and it will then direct you to the external URL address.